Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Toyota Prius. First, gather all your supplies. You'll need fresh engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a jack with jack stands. Safety glasses are also a must. Make sure you have the correct oil type and filter for your specific vehicle model before you begin. Now let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your Prius using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Always prioritize safety here. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath, then carefully remove the plug and let all the old oil drain completely.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. Quick recommendation. For all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading manuals or just relaxing with a good book. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. First, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely to prevent leaks. Next, use your filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Be ready for a little more oil to drip out. Finally, install your new filter, making sure the gasket is properly seated for a good seal. Now let's add the fresh oil. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. Locate the oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact quantity. After adding, check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.